job. Portraits in the fog, filter out the smog. Information log.
Hi, what's up guys? In this video, let's unbox and check out the review of a high-tech 3-axis gimbal for smartphones, the FY FEIYUTECH Vimble C. Starting with the physical features, it has an ergonomic and curvy shape designed to fit comfortably in the palm of your hands. Weighing in at just 420 grams, it can hold smartphones with a maximum payload of 200 grams. It is lightweight due to FEIYUTECH's latest brushless motors, while the G series algorithm provides awesome performance in stabilizing your footage. You can pair it with your smartphone with its app called FEIYU On to get additional features like face tracking, time lapses, and to take pictures by pressing the power button or long pressing for video. The tilt and pan feature can be used with the joystick above the power switch. In fact, you can use any camera app of your choice without Bluetooth pairing and it will still work the same, giving you smooth feature film like footage. Manual panning can be done simply by moving your hands in the required direction. For manual tilting though, it has to be enabled through the app setting or you can use the joystick. Setting up your smartphone on the FEIYUTECH is rather simple. You just have to unscrew the adjustable arm a bit, physically balance your phone until it's level and then tighten back the screw. Now let's check out some video footage shot with the FEIYUTECH gimbal and have a look at its stabilization performance.
Are you ready?
As you can see, there is a huge difference in video quality shot with and without the gimbal. It does a great job of stabilizing the video footage shot on a Redmi Note 5, which does not have any sort of inbuilt stabilization. The FEIYUTECH handheld gimbal may lack water resistance, but it gives butter smooth stabilization performance, competitive pricing compared to more expensive options with a premium quality build. It is definitely recommended for those who want to give their videos a professional touch. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff, bench tests and reviews. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.